up guys, how are you all? Like, as you can see, I have this, I don't laugh at me, no hate, no hate. This is not my tab, this is my sister's tab. Actually what happens is, in my phone I can't really like record because it just takes too much of the storage, and I can't like, I have so much things on it for my WhatsApp. I talk with chat with my cousins and something, and either other things like my email, so yeah, I can't like afford to lose it. So yeah, we are inside the game, and today we're gonna be playing Build a Scam Empire. You see, there is Grow Garden, Steal a Brain Rot and stuff, but there is a game that I literally like love to play it. And when I was like last month, I literally got addicted to it, but then I leaved it. And as you can see, I have scammed I don't know what is this figure. 900. No, nine thousand nine. What? 96,000? No, nine. Yeah, 96,000, 6,943 times. Yeah, and you can see I have 14,000 cards, and I have two of these, like 2x of these. Yeah, oh my phone. Yo, what's up? What's up, buddy? So wait, let me go ahead and place, then I'll be back when I will show the tips. So yeah, guys, yeah. Oh wait, as you, oh my gosh, these. As you can see at my base, like I have so much OP stuff. I have these trade scans. Although I also did one rebirth. I have one X1, and I have Evil God and stuff. You can see, and at the bottom, at the middle bottom, you can see I have so much cards. I have even these. So first of all, let me give some tips on the card. Like, if you're a beginner and you like see someone with OP cards, someone flexing on you, like they have a lot of cards. For example, I am for example, wait, let me go ahead and yeah. For example, this is the guy. Okay, this is you, the brown one, this guy. So when I came in, I am the beginner, and I start to show these cards, and you are like, and I'm flexing on. Like you can see, I am showing him chess card. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys, I'm not really flexing. I'm just showing, and he's saying what? There, okay. So let me go to the home. So yeah, you are a beginner, then you say, oh my gosh, hey, let's go, and you like literally go, yeah, oh my gosh, this guy has so many cards. You go over to the shop and go get some dialers, and then you go to home and like place over those dialers. For example, this is my this 1x1 is my dialer, and then you go, okay, yeah, give me, and you like pick up the cards, and like you get basic, dual and stuff. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Every single card has its own like item. For example, these basic cards and uncommon cards come from the uncommon trio, or I don't know, like it's a trio or something. You get it. And then the legendary epic cards, which is this gold one, the silver one, and this one. I'm not this one. These are the epics one. What they do, you can get them from the influencer or the email and the pro emailer, and from these three, these you can get from this diamond and stuff. You can get from the crypto ones, crypto guys, and then you can get these from the 1x1 god and 1x, no, not why I'm saying 1x1, it's 1x1, yeah, it's one, it's from the 1x1, and then you can get it from the scammer god, these four. And then later on, you see these three, these are like the literally these are super OP for beginners. You can get them from, wait, let me go ahead upstairs. You can get from this, all this is a pre-order for Trillion IDK. What is this? But you can get this from all. You can even get it for this guy. This guy is super OP. And yeah, as you can see that, wait, you some people have three rebirths, and you say, oh my gosh, what is this? Yeah, you're seeing in this video, you're saying this. Well, this is where the Friday shop comes in. You know, this is free. This is literally free. I noticed it today, or not this shop, this event shop, Black Friday server. What happens is, right now I am having 299 and 99 Robux, but there will be a button over in the down, or it would be like something like this. It would be for like $1, and like you have millions and billions of it. Is just for free things. It is just for free, so you can like literally buy it and place it in your home. Now come to what does it do. Look, I get a Black Friday. Now you might be saying, oh my gosh, this might be like billions and millions of. Well, you are totally wrong. If you go over here and go to the button, yeah, it is literally for $1. Then you say, what is the use of it? And you like literally go and sell your Black Friday. Don't, guys. You guys is literally stupid. If you go, you see this shop, you're bored. Like there are only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 shops, and you go over this and look. It uses the luck card you are holding or having in your inventory. So don't sell your like influence. What would you say? Don't sell those Black Friday servers, because they are very useful. And let's go and spin. Let's see what's my luck. Let's use the same squad luck. At least I got something. Yeah, it's something. And let me go ahead and clear my inventory. Wait, what? And just let me show you that. What the? Oh, I locked them. When I was doing the intro, I locked them. Let me go to the index and unlock them. Yeah. Let me go and head and sell them. So yeah. And then let's now go for the tips. I told you guys the tricks. Like now, let me tell you the tips. The tricks, I literally told you that how to do it. Now let me tell you some tips on how to become a billionaire. Like getting billion on every time you go and you get, like, for example, you come inside, you have 60,000, you full it, and then you go and sell it. I literally got 2 billion. I didn't thought I got 2 billion, but I literally got 2 billion. So yeah, that's what it does, and that's the server, what the server does, and the tips. So yeah, whenever guys you are new to the game, for example, I'm not like new. I don't wanna like go ahead and yeah, like this guy, you don't go for the richer. Always like make a bunch of these basic ones, because they literally like scam so many people in a second. Like look how many people he's scamming in a second. And for the first rebirth, it's like literally awesome. Till the first rebirth, do this method, you will literally come to the first rebirth, and after that you can unlock the trader and the god scammer, evil god, like whatever it's called. So yep. And the second tip is, whenever you like have something, like don't go ahead and sell. You almost, this is like literally the same, a little bit same. I'm stuttering a lot. Always go ahead and like get more and more of these one. When if you have first, or you don't have any rebirths, but you are a billionaire or millionaire, trillionaire, IDK, but you are IDK, I don't know, I didn't say IDC, that's IDK. So IDK what you are, but like literally go ahead and buy these, because these literally get you lots of money. And what they basically get you are, wait, let me go to the index, are these cards. And sometimes when your luck is, you have luck or something, you also get these. But this and this you get from the trader and evil god, so don't expect on getting these two. But if you have so many of these evil I mean scammer gods, go ahead and get them. Like they are literally so OP, guys. I got millions and trillion, I got millions and billions, but later on I just rebirthed it, and like I got 90 shekels, I mean money. And as you can see, when you will every rebirth you get $19, so don't expect on getting more. So yeah, so guys, it's the end of this. Hope you like this video and hope this is very helpful. But guys, if this was really helpful and you literally really liked it, then please join the family, the fire squad now. Join the fire family now, because this family will be soon enough taking over YouTube, and I literally know it. So yeah, it's totally free. Just go ahead and put that like and subscribe, and yeah, I'm not forcing you. Bye.